Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable magnifying zoom in Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So guys, for this all you guys have to do, just go to settings and then scroll it down. So we have an option of accessibility here. Just tap to accessibility. After that, go to vision enhancement. Now in this section, just scroll down so that you see the option of magnification here. Just tap to magnification and then enable this feature. Now just tap on magnification shortcut to see the setting. So if we do triple tap on screen so that the magnification will be start. Okay, now let's see. So as you see, the magnification is start and we can drag it through this icon. And if we want to close this, so all we have to do just triple tap again. So that's how we can enable magnifying zoom in Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.